you're about 50 plus. Easy down. You're about 40. There's 30.
You're well clear on the right.
What's that?
Well clear on the right.
And 10. 5 out of reach. We got the hook.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to beef up here on this one here, guys. So just look away.
Breathe on this. You got about 20 feet. About 10. Easy up. There's 5 feet. 4, 3, 2, 1. And tension. Looks good. Easy up.
There's 100.
You got her. About 3 off the truck. You clear the truck.
She's too heavy.
More straight up.
31.
And you are clear to lights. Looks good.
31. 31. Hey, let that police officer know on my 11. He's right in the flight path there.
I got him.
Stalling out. Here we go. Great.
404.
As I was afraid it was going to happen here. Joe, I'm probably, or guys on the ground, when I come up with that heavier one, I'm probably going to have to come over to more to my left. So I'm getting a lot of wind off that, whatever, Palm Olive or whatever the hell it is.
You're clear by 10, 15. This is going to go on the south side of the frame.
Copy south.
You're good 10. 9, 8. Come on down, Jim, if you can. We got to spin it. It went back the other way. If you can hold it, we got to turn it. Come on down a little bit more. Yep, there's the wind. Doing good. You're about 3, 4 up. Looking good. There's more out here hanging out to the unit. Give me a little bit up, Jim, and a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Coming down. Come on down. Relax a minute. All right, we're going to fine tune it a little bit. We're just going to come up and take it to the south.
Yeah, the other guy's only got one guy on his side, Joe.
I can feel the strain coming on it. A little bit more. A little bit more. One more time. A little bit more, Jim. And one end's not picking up. Give me a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. There you go. And coming down. Let's see what they say.
Hey, Joe, the other guy is all by himself on the other side. His corner is off. The northeast corner is off.
You know? All right, Jim, I'm trying. Come on, just give me a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Just hanging up on there. There you go. Coming down, coming down, coming down. That's it, cut it loose. You can bring it over here.
This is the last one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're really going to need those two guys on the other side there.
Yeah, I'll make sure they're there. All right, your rigging's clear, Roof. What do you think about bringing it down out here and walking it in?
As I was thinking, you and the two guys over there and have the other two guys in between. I know we can just walk it in. That wind may or may not catch it with a heavier one, I don't know.
Clear the lights, you can come on down. Yeah, about 40. You got her. Easy up. Off the truck. 3 feet, 5 feet, 10 feet. Easy up. Go straight up with it. Swing it back a little bit. And you think you're clear? You're clear the lights. Easy up.
34, 34. Come on, come on.
All that weight you got up front with you.
I hear you.
10, 15.
Yeah, we get arrested on the steel if we don't get it first shot, and I'll beat down, eh?
We can do it. Got it spinning around 180, about 7, 6. Looking good, Jim. You know what to do. You're about 4 up from the steel. You're just within reach of us. Nice. Just walk that baby right in there. A little bit forward. There you go. Straight in now. Straight to the east. Hold it. I think we're hitting the top of that one. Hold it, Jim. You're sinking down. Give it a little bit up. Good. All right. Let's go straight in now. Coming in. Coming in. There it goes. All right. Come on down just a little bit, just out of reach. Hold what you got. It's spun around on us. Come on down a little. Hold it right there. Hold it. You're on top of the fan now. You got it. Now, easy down and stop. There you go. Easy down now. Perfect. Coming down, bud. You're there. A foot, inches. I think that's pretty good.
Looks like I can come over east.
All right, you want to take it to the east a little bit more, if you can. There you go. One ends up. That's good. That's good. Come on down. Cut it loose. We're done.